Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to download videos from websites to avoid the censorship that's currently happening across YouTube and other platforms. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm currently using Opera. So in order to install a plugin in Opera, I go up to the Opera menu, go down to Extensions, and then click Get Extensions. The extension I normally use for downloading videos is called Flash Video Downloader. So we'll search for that, and there it's there. FVD, Flash Video Downloader. So we'll click on that and click on Add to Opera. This may be available for Firefox and Chrome, I don't actually know. The process will remain the same for other browsers. You just have to go to your browser store, be it the Chrome store or plugins in Firefox, and search for Video Downloader. In this case, I've used FVD for a while now and would highly recommend it. So now that we've got FVD installed, you can see the little icon has appeared up here. It says click to download media. So what we're going to do is we're going to click back here and we're going to go to a video website. Let's say Dailymotion. Once we're on Dailymotion's website, let's look for JFK conspiracies. Watch Mojo has a channel here, so if for example I wanted to download that, I would click on the channel, hit pause because I don't want the copyright strike, and then I would go up and I would click on download media. And here's a list of all of the download media versions in all of the sizes that are available. So that one's 1280 by 720, all the way down to 192 by 112. And as you can see, they're all in MP4. So just for the sake of this, I'll try the 721. Why not, eh? So you click on download and then give it a moment and it will start to download. As you can see, if I move my mouse away, that it's currently at 40% and it's coming down quite fast actually. Now this should download to your default download folder. Once it's finished, you see it moves over here, and if I double click it, it will start to play. Now I am on a virtual machine at the moment, so it's entirely possible that it won't play very well, but the quality is the exact same quality you would see on the main website.
The truth is out there.
Okay, that did start to play. Unfortunately, it wasn't playing in VLC. There must be a problem with VLC in this. This is my test box, so I do install and uninstall software on it all the time. But as you can see, right click, open with, and then Windows Media Player, and it comes up right away.
The truth is out there, but these conspiracy theories are way...
Even if I blow up full screen, it looks fine. Obviously Dailymotion isn't the only website that works with. If you jump over to your favourite video channel, so if for example I wanted to download a video from Computing Forever, I would open the video and then click on download, and there's the various sizes that it's available in there. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.